Okay, hey there, Dan Fitzpatrick here at stockmarketmentor.com. And I want to talk about MercadoLibre today. Something that it would have been nice to have been talking about last Thursday when you see the stock broke out. And actually, my sidekick, Scott McGregor, did cover this at that time. So some of our guys got it. I didn't, but that's my bad. Anyway, so what are we going to do now? Like the stock really popped up nicely. And in one day, over 4%, which on a price basis is $90, but it's really just 4%, right? And so the stock now has pulled back a bit. What are we, about halfway through the trading day? Now, stocks pulled back a bit, which is to kind of be expected because this squeeze took place. The stock had already been trending higher. I mean, it was really steep for a while, and then it consolidated. And so at this point, you would think another breakout is likely to lead to profit taking, and it has. However, this is a big monster move. And yesterday's volume, that's Friday, was on lower than average volume. And so after the kind of move this has had, for this stock to just barely be down on Friday, and then today, probably even lower volume still, this is the thing. I think this stock is a buy, but not yet. I think what you got to do is wait for the stock. I have my alert set at 21.43. If the stock breaks out above that on heavier than average volume, I think that's your next buy point for this stock. And my bet is that it's going to work really well. Look, the stock's been in a monstrous uptrend for a while, a couple of years now. It's up near the top of its uptrending channel, but not quite yet. I'm just looking at the weekly chart to say, like, okay, is it an uptrend or a downtrend or sideways? No, it's in an uptrend. Okay, great. Now, daily chart. Now I'm zooming in. I'm seeing all the things that I just mentioned to you. Big move higher, sideways consolidation on low volume here, right here. And then another breakout on heavier than average volume. And now we got some sideways consolidation on low or maybe average volume. This could last for a while. I don't care. I'm not interested in it right now. I'm only interested in it if it breaks through my buy area here. So anyway, that's what I got for you, Stock Market Mentor members. I hope you guys were paying attention to Scott last week. I should have been. So anyway, that's it. If you're not a member of Stock Market Mentor or Option Market Mentor or Crypto Market Mentor, you can make that trade today. And it really doesn't cost you anything for a free trial. All right, I'll see you guys later. Have a great day.